Alright, in this video we're going to go over the instructions for weekly module 4, and this is for my discrete math class. Okay, so under learning resources, I've posted some video that should go along with your readings. So after you read our textbook for the required reading section, if you're still confused, then these videos that I posted should help you a lot. And if you're still confused, then again, feel free to reach out to me and then we can set up a time so that I can help you with your questions. Okay, and let's go under this week's assignments. For this week's discussion board, please answer me 2 questions. First question is in 1 word. How would you describe exam 1 from last week? Was it difficult, fair, or too easy? Second question is, what was most challenging about exam 1? Talk about anything that you had a challenge so I can hopefully get feedback on that and improve on the system for your second exam. Okay, and homework for preview video is up. So in this video, I cover all of the homework problems. If I do cover the same homework problem assigned, then I give hints to how to get the problem started. For the other problems I do, it's really similar problems to those assigned. So this should be helpful if you feel like you need some help with any of these problems. Okay. And just a reminder that this is our textbook, so you can access it in this. We're not using the online textbook. We're using this PDF copy of it, which you can also find it online by clicking on this link.